Hi everyone. Let's begin our Sunday Robert Lee blockchain diary, but today have a little difference. From this week, I will divide our Robert Lee blockchain diary to two sub-channel. The sub-channel first is about the English one. We name it Weekly News, Blockchain Weekly News. The second is English, also named Robert Lee blockchain diary. So today is the first one for the blockchain weekly news. Let's begin our news. The first, I have three topics to share. First is about the China President Xi Jinping. Second is about the Bitcoin and some other altcoin, the price of them. The third one is about how the blockchain can be used in different real industry. Now let's begin. The first is about China. President Xi Jinping embraced the blockchain technology. In a move to a dynamization to industry, Chinese President Xi Jinping have urged the country to accelerate the adoption of the blockchain. Also, China have introduced an absolute ban to cryptocurrency in 2017. The country have making major development in the blockchain space. Currently, Chinese hold the most number of patents in the blockchain industry, leading the rival US by a considerable margin. In a move to dominate the blockchain industry, Chinese President Xi Jinping has urged in the country to accelerate the adoption of the blockchain technologies. In the future, the country will hire technological superiority with the dynamic global trade and commercial. And the writing on the wall is clear that the two economic powerhouses, US and China, are engaged in a close battle. Xi's community comes during the Electoral Community session speaking on the blockchain technology and trade. He stressed that the integration of the blockchain technology will be the key driver to the industry transformation and technological innovation addressed at the community. She said, "We must take blockchain as an important breakthrough for independent invitation of a core technology, clarify that the main direction, increase investment focused on member of key technology, and accelerate of development of blockchain and industry invitation." However, China is very clear on its stand that it will just want to promote the blockchain used and not cryptocurrency. The community country did not want the risk in its economic stronghold by allowing the digital asset in its financial ecosystem. So, ban public cryptocurrency, promote CBDC. It is not China is completely averse to benefit the crypto asset and the digital currency can bring in. It is just not open to allowing the decentralized public cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Well, China have banned cryptocurrency 2 years back. Its central bank, People's Bank of China, CBOC, is actively working on launch a central bank digital currency, CBDC, on the digital renminbi. With big organized like Facebook entering the crypto space, Chinese is aware of the global competition. As a result, it is accelerate the development of the CBDC token with no timetable for launch at the moment. Citing the scent of the Facebook's liberal launch next year, Chinese tech giant Tencent said that local payment service like Alipay and WeChat Pay will struggle in case Facebook dominates the global payment industry. Any internet company that has a relatively natural digital payment system such as WeChat Pay and Alipay would be shortened by the stablecoin if it is ever launched, the company said. On the other hand, Facebook is so in case Chinese accelerate CBDC development to converse the lawmaker on liberal launch. In its recent commentary to the U.S. Congress, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg told the U.S. lawmaker that if Chinese is moving quickly to launch a similar idea in the coming months, we can't sit here and assume that because American is today's the leader, that will always get the leader if they do not innovate, said Zuckerberg. Okay, very interesting. So this is a very important news last week. So just because this news, the Bitcoin and some other altcoin all have a very high price even in 24 hours. So you can see Bitcoin jumped nearly 40% as Chinese President Xi embraced blockchain. You can find all the altcoins also have jumped nearly 20 or 30%. Very interesting. But what Chinese pay more attention, not for the price for the cryptocurrency. He just want to pay more attention to the blockchain technical use. I just have a meeting yesterday with many Chinese very important blockchain leader. We talking about how to promote the technical use in the different blockchain industry. For example, we can use the blockchain industry in the different real industry in the road. For example, in the automotive, for the mobile, for the innovation mobile service supply the chain traceability and more security finance transaction and some other things for automotives. And also can be used for banking and financial service. Because the blockchain can bring in trust, simplify, and enhance the custom experience to the financial service. So the blockchain also can be used in the banking and financial service. Of course, the blockchain can be very nice to be used in the government because the ensure data store shipment to protect the citizen information and maintain trust and ensure the occurrence of a public record. This is also very important. The blockchain technology can be used in the healthcare. The healthcare also have many big data. The data must is a guess in the first industry revolution. It can be used in the different place, but it must have a value. So the value should belong to a different person to give the big data, give the data. So the blockchain can be very nice to be used in the healthcare. Also, it can be used in the insurance, in the media and entertainment, and retailer and consumer good, and travel and transportation. This show you can find the blockchain can be used in the different real industries. Of course, you can find the blockchain can be used in the different solution method. For example, we can find the blockchain can be used in the food industry. We have now for Walmart and Carrefour have been used the blockchain to change his food industry. This have been used. So we can use many things in the different things in the blockchain for blockchain used in, and also we can use it for example in your global trade and trade in finance and cross-border payment and identity protections. So you can find, of course, blockchain technology can be used in the many real industries. So what China parent she just want to promotion, I think, is just want to use in the different in real industries. But of course, to the Bitcoin, to the Ethereum, and some other cryptocurrency will have a very good exchange, have a nice price. Okay, industries. Let's see the price of the cryptocurrency market. Today, for the Bitcoin is higher for 5.90%. The price is 9,111.23 US dollar. The Ethereum is lower for 0.89%. The price is 179.21 US dollar, and the Ripple is also lower for 1.42%. The price is 0.29. Okay, thank you. This is today's Robert Lee blockchain weekly news. Okay, thank you. Thank you all.